Hi there, and thanks for joining us at RosterElf. My name is Zoe Clarke, your customer training specialist. I'm excited to show you how to quickly copy an existing roster without saving it as a template. How to prepare to copy a roster. Ensure you are in the weekly view with one site selected. This step confirms which roster you want to copy. Locate the Copy a Roster button. This indicates where you will start the copying process. How to select the roster date range. Open the date picker at the top of the screen. This allows you to define the exact week or period. Choose the date range for the roster you want to copy. This ensures accuracy before you duplicate. How to copy the roster to a new week. Navigate to the week where you want to paste the roster. This sets your target location for copying. Click on Copy a Roster to open the modal. This is where you will finalize your copying options. Select your options in the modal, then click Copy. This action duplicates your roster to the chosen week. Important note: copying a roster will replace all published and draft shifts in the selected week. Only published shifts are transferred. If you need both draft and published shifts, consider using roster templates. Thank you for watching. As always, our support team is here to lend a hand whenever you need it. Happy rostering!